So here's how to rig in Blender easily. First of all, click on the search bar on the bottom left of your computer. Then, search for and open up your Blender application on your PC. So now, as you can see, we are in the Blender application, and my model is ready for rigging. Here, you need to click on Edit on the top left corner. After that, click on Preference. Then, go to Add-ons and click on the search bar right here. Then, type in and search for Rigify. Make sure that Rigify is selected. If it's not, then select it. Once it's done, close this window. Now, press Shift and A. After that, hover over on Armature and then go to Basic. From here, select Basic Human Meta Rig. And as you can see, we now have the bones to create the rig. So after it's done, click on Data from the right panel. And then, you need to click on Viewport Display. Once you open Viewport Display, you need to select In Front right here. And as you can see, the bones have been moved to the front. After doing that, click on Object Mode on the top left and select Edit Mode. Then, you can select individual parts just like this. Then, position them according to the shape. This way, select each part of the body and position them according to the structure. Try to make them as precise as possible. So as you can see, I'm now adjusting the legs. So after you're done with that, adjust the arms as well. So once you're done making all the adjustments, click on Edit Mode on the top left and select Object Mode. Then select your model just like this. After that, press Ctrl A. After pressing Ctrl A, click on All Transforms right here. While doing this, make sure the whole model is selected. So once you're done with this step, go over to the right panel that you used earlier. And then scroll down and click on Generate Rig. And that's it. That is how you can rig easily in Blender. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.